In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the touchpad on your PlayStation Portal. Now the touchpad is this button that is on your normal PS5 controller. This has some functions in some games, and if you want to be able to use it on your PlayStation Portal, I'll show you how it's done. So if you're in a game on your PlayStation Portal and you want to be using the touchpad, there are two different options that are on screen. So you see right here on the right, if you tap it, it'll pull up that specific touchpad. You tap it on the left, it'll pull it up there. So you can use this as the normal touchpad in whatever functionality it brings from your games. And you can also just tap it once, you can move it around like your joystick, or you can tap it twice to bring in specific in-game function that is used by the touchpad. So that is how you can use the touchpad on your PlayStation Portal. Just keep that in mind, that you're able to just touch the screen and it acts exactly as if you're using the regular PS5 DualSense touchpad. So that's how you can use the touchpad on your PlayStation Portal. Hopefully you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.